The motivation behind my project is very simple. People do fall, for various reasons, but there are substantial economic costs associated with fall-related injuries, especially among elder adults. Think about all these broken bones or sprained muscles due to unforeseen slip or bump. And if someone's fall and lost consciousness, it is extremely important to help as soon as possible, because the consequences might be dire. Our solution to the fall detection and prevention problem is a dedicated mobile app. Nowadays, many people have smartphones, so we believe there is no need for a dedicated and potentially costly separate device. Plus, the phones themselves are extremely capable. They have quad-core processors, many gigabytes of memory on board, 4G, Wi-Fi, GPS, and many, many other features. Now, how a mobile app would be able to detect falls? Let's get into theory of this. Nowadays, smartphones have 3 sensors on board. It's a gyroscope, accelerometer, and compass. Using this sensor, we can detect position of the phone in the space and detect acceleration as well. Now, imagine I'm wearing a smartphone in my pockets and I fall due to a slip. The phone would be able to detect that my position in the space has changed. And then it will measure acceleration as my body hits the ground. And then once the fall is determined, we can send the alert to my relatives or even emergency services. However, here's the problem. When we walk up and down the stairs, the phone would also experience acceleration and change of position. Now, how do we separate those two activities, like fall and a normal day activity? Well, using machine learning, of course. I taught the phone to distinguish between falls and everyday activities like walking using machine learning technique called support vector machines. The key insight is that the patterns for those activities are different, and we can distinguish them. Well, one thing about support vector machines is that to make good predictions, we need lots of data. And in our case, lots of data means lots of walking and lots of falling. Obviously, before giving our app to general public, we need to test the app ourselves very well, which you can see on the pictures. Now, as we are ready to release our application to general public, we are hoping that this app would be able to help elderly population to live safer lives, because we can alert relatives or emergency services in case of a fall, and the help will come soon. Thank you.